Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we are doing my birthday wig. It's my birthday. Aries gang, shout out, where you at? For the time being, you could definitely say I'm back on my wig game, and I wanted to show you guys this one I found. I wanted a really cute one for my birthday. I wanted some color, you know, we gotta go on theme, and I've been doing the light colored hair, so I decided to pick up this ginger spice, and this is the Outre Perfect Hairline. I love these wigs mostly because, again, the perfect hairline aspect. They come pre-plucked for the most part. They come pre-everything. Like, you don't have to do too much, and I love that. So my first step is to slick down my edges. I don't want my baby hairs anywhere near this wig hairline. Normally I would glue down the wig cap as well, but I feel like you don't always have to do that, and I've gotten my wigs to turn out decent looking without doing that, so to each his own. But I'm just doing the old foundation trick on the wig lace, which, if you don't know, normally with real hair wigs you would use bleach and bleach the knots so that it would look a lot more realistic. With synthetic hair, obviously you can't do all of that, we're limited, so I just put a little foundation on, and that does help blend it into my skin tone. And look at this hairline, y'all. This is what I'm talking about. Synthetic wigs have come such a long way. Like, what? Who? Where? And then also, as you can see, it comes with baby hairs already in it, which I appreciate. I'm not gonna get into the whole baby hair argument because, oh my gosh, it always gets people in a tizzy. But I like baby hairs. I definitely feel like you don't have to have them, but I don't mind them. And I like when they come pre-plucked and they apply it to the wig beforehand. And then also I'm using this Got To Be. You know, Got To Be is my tried and true. The thing with using Got To Be gel is obviously this isn't gonna last as long as a wig glue, but what I found is that with synthetic wigs, it's best not to sleep in them. When you don't sleep in them, you can preserve them so much longer. And in my opinion, I feel like you can definitely make this last. It just depends the way you put it down. You have to put a lot of it. You have to make sure it's pushed far back, if that makes sense. So you have to glue it securely for the glue to work, basically. And I keep calling it glue. It's basically a gel, a really strong hold gel. Okay, so next I'm just cutting the lace off, and I don't know, guys, I was trying to keep up with the girls because that's how the girls do it, but I like cutting the lace before I put it on my head. I don't know if that's the wrong way, but I just hate cutting it while it's on my head. Every time I'm like, ugh, why? And then I'm just using that spray, as you can see. Again, that spray I love using for spot treatment. It's quick drying, so it makes it easy to apply. And look at our little wig, she's looking good. And then I'm just using my little beauty blender and blending in on the sides. I just put a little bit more foundation. And foundation, y'all, that is where we get our melt, okay? That is what makes it look semi-realistic, okay? It helps us every time. Okay, so let's talk about the baby hairs. To me, personally, baby hairs help conceal the lace. It helps make it look a lot more realistic, especially when you have cheaper synthetic wigs. Not all of us have the big human head wigs, okay? I am working with synthetic, and baby hairs always help me. And then I like that we have the option to have them or not have them. If I ever don't feel like having the baby hairs out, I just gotta slick them back. No harm, no foul. So now I'm just using my wax stick, and the name of the game at this point is just to get it to lay down as flat as possible. I'm gonna work on the actual body of the hair, but first I just need to make sure the lace is laid. I'm using my curling iron just to make sure the top of it, especially where the part is, I just wanna make sure everything is slicked and looking good. Now, as you can see, this hair is pretty long, okay? We're down to the waist length, and I love that, but I had a vision. I was like, oh, I feel like, especially with my birthday outfit, I'll show you guys that at the end, but I was like, I want it shorter, kind of old Hollywood curl-esque type of deal, just really big bouncy curls, and I felt like the hair would look a lot better if it was shorter. You know how sometimes hair looks like it's just too long? I like long straight hair, but with curly hair, I think I'm a fan of it being shorter. But I did turn it into a side part, and then I just cut off a lot. I didn't even know how much I was gonna cut off. I was just kind of going for it and what felt right. And look at the curls. I just think it looks so much better short. So this was me kind of deciding if I was gonna go shorter or not, which was a big fear of mine too. I was like, girl, don't take it too far now, because if it goes too short, then the wig is ruined. So I felt like this, which is kind of a little bit before where my chest starts, but not shoulder length necessarily. But I felt like that was a happy medium for me, and I thought the hair looked really cute. I did not cut this hair in vain. I do not love cutting wigs. Okay, I think I secretly love cutting wigs, but like I truly felt like it looked better shorter, but I definitely think the long look is a look too. Either or. All right, and so this is our final look. I ended up going with the side part just because I love how the bang fell in my face. And y'all, it's giving old Hollywood. It's giving Roxanne from a Goofy movie. Don't play with her. Like the color, this like reddish auburn, I don't even know what to call it. Ginger spice, it's giving, okay? I was so happy. Oh, I gotta show you guys the back too. Look at those curls, like, come on, come on. And especially, this is how I wore it on my birthday. I kind of went for like a pinup style. This is just showing you the versatility of the wig, okay? And then this is footage from my actual birthday. I did end up reapplying the wigs. Love this wig, love this hair. And then I want to show you guys my little birthday fitty fit. I wore this like little leather suit. And again, I felt like the pinup style just really pulled it all together. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. But be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in my next one. Long live synthetic wigs. Long live.